Hello friends, welcome in this sketchware tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you that how can you download this app Sketchware Pro even in Bangladesh or not reachable countries in your phone. Sometimes you can only download this app from Mediafire, and this is not valid on Bangladesh and some other countries. From these countries you also can download the install this app. I will show you that how can you do it. So at first go to Play Store and here search VPN, Indian VPN. Here you see Indian VPN. Now you have to install this app, VPN India, get free Indian VPN. Look at this logo. You will install this. Now I'm gonna open this app. Here is the app. Now I'm gonna open it. Now you have to connect to Indian VPN. You select it. Now wait a while. 321 Yes, this is connected successfully. Now after connecting this, you will show this notification here. Here you see this is not here you see these two notifications. You will see VPN. Okay, now I have a link. You can copy this link from the video description. I am pasting this link here and tapping here and searching it. Just wait a while. Here you see the VPN is slow because of Indian Mumbai VPN not working in Bangladesh here properly. Just wait a while. Here you see. Oops. Just wait a while. Well, unfortunately at that time the link was not working, but now it will work absolutely properly. I think here you see. Just wait a while. Please wait a while, please. I pause the. Here you see. Now it has come. Here you see now after it loading successfully. After it loads successfully, you have to tap here. You will just tap here and the app will start downloading. And after finishing download, you will see your app here. Here you see. Here you see, this is the app I have downloaded from the page, and you have to tap on the app and then install the app, and nothing to do anything else. So I have already installed the app. Now I am opening the app. Well, I want to say you that this is only an educational video. We have no target to abuse our internet. Here you see, here is the app. All my projects are here, and here is the app view. It is taking time now. So sorry. Well, I am again opening the app. It is taking time because of the internet. I am now opening it. Well, if I turn off the VPN, then it may work properly. I am now turning off my internet. I am extremely sorry because of failure of making the video properly, but please pardon me. I am disconnecting the VPN and